Are open source programs dangerous? Features, sources, and how to modify them. Open source software refers to programs where the source code is available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. But an important question arises. Are these programs safe? Can they be dangerous? Advantages of open source software. Code. Transparency. Anyone can examine the source code to ensure there are no malicious instructions. This makes it harder for attackers to insert harmful code unnoticed if the open source community is active. Continuous improvement. Developers can inspect the code, discover security vulnerabilities, and contribute to fixing them quickly, enhancing security. Personal customization. Companies and individuals can modify open source software to meet their specific needs, giving them more flexibility compared to closed source software. Quick updates. The open source community tends to release updates rapidly to fix discovered vulnerabilities. Potential risks. Insertion of malicious code. If the project is not closely monitored, a malicious developer could insert harmful instructions into the code. Therefore, it's essential to thoroughly review the code. Limited support. Compared to commercial software, open source programs may offer less technical support or documentation, making it harder for users to resolve technical issues. Small user base. Some projects may not have a large or active user base, which could slow down the discovery and resolution of security vulnerabilities. How to modify open source programs. If you're interested in modifying open source software, here are the steps. Learn Git basics. Git is used to manage changes in open source projects. Popular platforms like GitHub and GitLab rely on Git for version control. Understand the programming language. You need to be familiar with the language in which the software is written, such as Python, Java, or JavaScript. Use an integrated development environment, IDE. Tools like Visual Studio can help streamline the process of editing the code. Tools for assessing the security of open source programs. GitHub Security Alerts. This feature alerts developers about security vulnerabilities in projects hosted on GitHub. Snyk helps discover security vulnerabilities and analyzes code libraries. OSS Index provides assessments for open source components and helps identify security risks. In conclusion, open source software is not dangerous if managed properly and regularly inspected. With the right tools, you can modify and ensure its security effectively.